PUD3 is excited to exclusively offer 1 gig internet service. The fiber optic cables we use provide near limitless speeds. It makes sense for us to offer the highest bandwidth possible to our customer. Previously, you may have noticed 2-speed offerings, 100 megabits per second and 1 gig. So, what's the difference? First, what is bandwidth? Bandwidth is a term used to describe how much information or data can be transmitted over a connection. It is usually given as megabits per second. Let's compare 100 megabits per second and 1000 megabits per second, also known as 1 gigabit per second, or gig speeds. It's obvious that 1000 megabits per second is 10 times faster than 100 megabits per second, but how does that ultimately affect you, the consumer? With 100 megabits per second, you can access the internet and have phone service. But with 1000 megabits per second, or gig speeds, you can add things like high-definition television, security cameras, and many more services and activities while connecting multiple devices all at once. And all this without compromising speed. That means less buffering, less lagging, and less waiting. High bandwidth is an important thing to keep in mind because the average U.S. household has 7 internet-connected devices transmitting data at any given time, and that number is growing every year. The more devices you have, the more bandwidth you need. Each connected device uses a slice of your bandwidth. Tablets will use between 20 and 40 megabits per second. Smartphones will range between 15 and 40. Laptops, televisions, and gaming systems can take anywhere from 5 to 75 megabits per second. As you can see, it all adds up very fast. So when many devices are connected at once, it significantly reduces your bandwidth. That's where the 1 gig service comes in. While everyone likes a faster internet, it's not just about the speed. It means everyone in the house can enjoy super fast speeds to do the things they need to do in the modern world, such as homework, email, research, working from home, playing video games, watching high-definition television, streaming music and movies, and even talking on the phone. High-speed broadband is not a luxury, and many activities such as telecommuting, online schooling, and cottage industries are the new norm, especially in our rural county. Affordable broadband is a building block for healthy communities. PUD3 wants to be able to help our community to thrive and compete in today's economy. Providing 1 gig service at an affordable rate is a way that we can do that.